Hi there. So actually today we're going to be looking at doing some wireless control of LED lights. There's a big explosion in the LED market with a lot of LED solid-state lighting finding more and more traction, but one of the key issues associated with LED control is the actual controlling of the lights on and off. Unlike traditional incandescent lights where you can just add a potentiometer to the circuit, LEDs require a little bit more sophistication in their control technology. Typically you have to PWM or pulse width modulate the output to that control, and I'll show you how we're doing that today. Today we're using some hardware from CEL. We're using their MechConnect module, the ZICM 2410P0. We're also using a driver from Linear Tech, that is the LTM 8040EV. And we're using some Cree high bright LEDs, their new XPE line, and we have to put our makeshift lampshades on them because they're too bright for the camera. But anyway, again, to pull all of this together, we're using some additional software from a company called Synapse Wireless, where we're actually using that wireless technology to go from the transceiver. This is our switch. This is actually how we're going to turn the lights on and off and actually dim them up and down. And you can see it's wireless, not connected by any wires to our lights themselves. We've got two different light circuits over here, a right channel and a left channel. And we're showing multiple channels just to show the flexibility that you can control them independently as well. Some things for the software. It really has to be a low-cost implementation, which the Synapse Snap Core running on the MechConnect module is a low-cost solution. We're talking low data rates here. We're talking kilobits per second, very appropriate for light control on and off. It is a true peer-to-peer mesh. We're not going to be demonstrating mesh today, but that is an advantage of the Snap software. So if you can imagine large application spaces, you'll actually be able to have a single switch and bridge to multiple lights through a mesh type architecture. So let's go ahead and jump into the demo here. So right now, as you can see, they are off. We're just going to go ahead and turn them on. You can see even with our makeshift lampshades here, they're pretty bright. But we can go on, we can go off. We also have the ability to dim them. You can see what we're doing is we're just increasing the duty cycle of the pulse width modulation and increasing the brightness. We can go up and we can go down. Now, just to show a little bit of flexibility, we're going to focus on just the right channel, and now we're going to continue to go up with just the right channel and down, or we can turn it off independently. Looking at the left channel now, you can see we can turn those on and off, and just a little additional flexibility we threw in there. We can see it actually dims up to where it was left off. So anyway, here it is, just a real quick snapshot showing wireless lighting control, control of your LED light system using the MechConnect technology from CEL, some Linear Tech drivers driving some really nice bright Cree LEDs, all of it controlled by the peer-to-peer software from Synapse Wireless Snap Core. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.